Assalamu alaikum guys, I am Zahir Naeem. I am going to unboxing of HP laptop model 15 AC118NE. Actually, I am in search of a low budget laptop having good specs and reasonable affordable price. So finally I decide to got it. This is HP 15 AC118NE notebook. I am just going to show it physically for you because I can't find any video related to this laptop, this model, so I decided to make it for you. I don't know so much about its software specs and other things. I'm just show it physically for you how looks it. Now please wait guys, this is I think this is very slim. That's the thing I want. This is a low budget laptop. Its price this is keypad made for United Arab Emirates. It's finishing with diamond squares, glassy look, unscratchable, having webcam and microphone. Guys, it's very slim. Intel Core i3, one USB port on this side and I think two USB ports on the other side. Internet cable, HDMI cable, and looking very slim. And one thing that is charging adapter. So guys, this is HP notebook 15 AC118NE. It's lightweight notebook. Thank you guys, this is all for you.